Hi everyone, and welcome back to the NWR Investors Conference Series 11. Next up, we have Netccentric. Netccentric is a pioneering and established provider of social media influencer marketing solutions. The company provides its diverse client base of leading brands with results-focused growth strategies backed by end-to-end expertise spanning influencer marketing, social media marketing, performance marketing, video and content creation, and social commerce. Presenting on behalf of Netccentric today is Executive Chairman Ganesh Kumar. Ganesh has been part of the Netccentric team for a little under 2 years, being appointed as Chairman in July 2020. I'll now hand over to you. Thanks for joining.
Thanks. Thank you for the opportunity, NWR, to present at today's investor event. So a bit of a background on Netccentric. Netccentric basically is a pioneering established provider of social media influencer marketing solutions. We provide end-to-end expertise to brands, basically covering all aspects of social media, from engaging influencers to managing social media accounts to video and content creation to even selling products online. We use data and insights to grow our diversified revenue streams. We have more than 300 clients with over 15,000 influencers across 4 offices and 100 employees within our group. We have a diverse range of blue chip customers. Retail, KFC, McDonald's, our clients. On the FMCG front, Unilever, Johnson & Johnson, all the big names are basically our clients. The company itself was formed in 2006, listed in 2015. I acquired a majority stake in the company in 2020. And from there, pivoted the company, or expanded the company into the social commerce segment. We have end-to-end growth solutions. We provide end-to-end growth solutions to our clients. We help our clients all the way from awareness, generating awareness on social media, right down to actually selling products or generating revenue on social media. We have a comprehensive platform to serve a large market. The global influencer marketing platform market is actually expected to grow from 6 billion in 2020 to 24 billion by 2025, a CAGR of 32%. And APAC is set to lead that growth. We are building a super app to assist influencers to earn money. So for example, an influencer can log in the morning, look at branded campaigns from our clients that they can execute to earn money. Look at products they can sell over live commerce, which I'll talk about shortly on. Create a merchandise store to sell products or their own merchandise to their followers. Learn how to be a better influencer and also perform CSR. And after doing all of this, at the end of the day, they can actually see how much they've earned from all the activities online. So in terms of competitive advantage, we actually help brands navigate a very fragmented market. A lot of people, when they think about influencer marketing, they really think about the Kim Kardashians of the world. But the Kim Kardashians really is a small percentage of overall follower volume. That black bar you see in the chart is just, so less than 10% of follower volume is actually the Kim Kardashians that have more than 1 million celebrities. A majority of follower volume really is in that nano and micro influencer segment. So really the 1 to 100,000 followers segment. We have a database of 15,000 influencers that we built over the last 15 years. And based on the data and insights we built, we can actually match the right influencer to the right brand. This has enabled us to become one of the largest, if not the largest, influencer marketing platform in our home markets, with 84% of our clients being returning clients. Our competitors in this field are really very fragmented. They're small players, and we are by far the giant in this field. We have a vision to build Southeast Asia's largest influencer marketing platform. The Southeast Asian digital economy is one of the fastest growing digital economies in the world, and influencer marketing is really one of the fastest growing aspects of digital marketing in this region. Today, we have a dominant influencer network leadership position in Malaysia. All the large media agencies, Group M, Entropia, OMG, IPG media brands, use us for influencer marketing. We are their preferred marketing partner. And from our base in Malaysia, we intend to build a regional influencer marketing network from our current 2 markets to 4 to 6 markets. With that, we actually intend to build a centralized technology platform that will host the data and insights of influencers across the region that we'll then use to serve our clients better. So with that, we believe we can become Southeast Asia's largest pan-region influencer marketing platform. And this will enable us to then enter into regional engagements with Unilever and P&G, the big FMCG brands that have their regional budgets based in Singapore. So in terms of business model and flow of funds, our clients basically engage us, and give us the KPIs they want to achieve. We then engage the influencers based on the client's KPI. The influencer then posts their campaign on social media based on our direction, and that marks the full delivery of the campaign. With the full delivery of campaign, the clients actually have a dashboard and they can actually log in and look at the performance of the different campaigns. Clients then pay us and we share roughly half with the influencer. So in terms of case studies, an FMCG brand actually approached us to launch a niche product within a competitive category in Malaysia. Malaysia has a population of 30 million. They actually wanted to reach 10% of Malaysia's population, and we got them a reach of 2.6 million audience on the various social media sites with the ROI, or a cost per view, of 13 cents ringgit, which is roughly about 4 cents Aussie dollars. So it's a very effective, it's become a very effective way of reaching consumers on social media. And we also give them a 4 to 9% engagement rate. So as you can see here, influencer marketing has really become a very cost-effective way to reach consumers on social media. With time spent on social media now moving towards a majority of time spent online. We help our brands or our clients not only generate awareness and engagement, as I mentioned earlier, but also generating revenue. So Malaysian bedding brand actually wanted to grow their e-commerce revenues online, and we partnered with them. They spent $40,000 or 40,000 ringgit, and they were able to grow their revenues from 100,000 ringgit to 500,000 ringgit with a return on ad spend of 15 times. So it's also become a very effective way of generating revenue from e-commerce as well. We're providing an end-to-end ecosystem to our influencers. So we've actually created a merchandise marketplace that enables influencers to sell their own t-shirts and caps to their followers, with fulfillment done by us and our partners. So e-commerce live streaming is a new industry that we've recently entered into. So if you're familiar with Facebook Live, so e-commerce live streaming basically is selling products live on Facebook. And in China, this is growing from 0% of e-commerce to 25% of e-commerce by 2025. 25% of e-commerce, that includes marketplace commerce, will actually be done through live streaming. And we are basically leaders, or one of the players in the field here in Southeast Asia. And Southeast Asia is expected to also mirror the e-commerce growth or e-commerce trends of China. So what we do is basically we've created an automation platform that enables viewers to watch influencers sell products live on Facebook. And from there, the consumers can interact with the influencer. A purchase code is flashed. And usually consumers here in Asia know that you press +1 to basically acquire one product, +2 to acquire 2 products. The buyer then receives notification to confirm the order, completes the purchase, and then we have a back-end warehouse that then packs and delivers the order, and the buyer receives the order. We are looking at rolling this out. We right now have rolled this out in Malaysia, and we're looking to also roll this out now in Australia through a partner. A bit of some progress on this business. We actually launched this business in end 2020, and in financial year 2021, our first full year of operations, we actually processed over 60,000 orders with a GMV of $4 million. We actually partnered with the e-commerce live e-commerce operator. You guys are familiar with TV shopping, so this company eShop Live basically is a TV shopping operator that actually left and set up. He was actually working in a TV shopping network, and he actually left and founded this company called eShop Live together with a group of celebrities and influencers. We actually bought a 5% stake in this business, and they are exclusive, and we are the exclusive technology, payment, and fulfillment partner. The company that we invested in today has more than 100,000 orders, with 500 products being sold from 300 merchants. And this has actually driven the growth of our business, of our live commerce business here in Malaysia. We're looking to partner with a similar business as well in other markets, including Australia, where we see a potential because live commerce is still not non-existent or not popular, I would say, in Australia. And we see that the Chinese market in Australia as well is quite big. And so we'll be rolling this out to the Chinese, or we intend to roll this out to the Chinese market in Australia. We also partnered with Aeon, which is a global retailer that actually has a network of outlets here in Malaysia. They wanted to sell mooncakes during the Mooncake Festival, and we actually provided them influencers and our technology to sell mooncakes over the Mooncake Festival. And we also have the bedding brand I talked about conduct live commerce sessions, where we actually earn from providing the influencers. We earn a percentage for providing our technology. We earn about 30, 40, 50 cents from actually providing the payment payment capabilities, and we also earn 5% and more sometimes for actually providing the fulfillment capabilities. So in terms of progress, as you can see from this chart, our volume actually increased from $500,000 in Q1 of financial year 2021 to actually more than $2 million in Q4 of financial year 2022. We expect this to continue to grow with our current expansion plans to roll out this business across the region and in Australia as well. In terms of financial highlights, we did actually $11.5 million of revenue last year, a growth of 45% year on year. EBITDA actually grew 16%. We believe in sustainable growth, so we would like to continue to be EBITDA positive while still investing into growth. So for example, last year we actually invested into an Nothing Live commerce business. If we did not invest in that business, our EBITDA would have actually grown higher than the current EBITDA, but we believe that we should invest in growth and the future industries as well. We have strong liquidity to fund our growth strategy. We actually have more than $5 million in the bank. So in terms of operational breakdown, our influencer marketing platform is actually the strongest contributor. It contributes a majority of our revenue, with performance marketing and social media agency following that. And our live commerce platform is still a small percentage of revenue, but it's a fast growing segment of our revenue as well. So in terms of strategic outlook, we are pursuing a fast growing influencer market. We're actually developing new growth drivers through the expansion into SME segment. We see our growth drivers being the continued expansion into social commerce. So social commerce is expected to double in revenue from 2 trillion to 4 trillion by 2024. Our investments into technology will enable us to basically scale that growth with minimal cost increases. And of course, we also see growth through potential acquisitions, which I've outlined in our regional expansion strategy. Our investment highlights, basically, we're EBITDA profitable with a fast growing business operating within a very fast growing industry. We have a complete business growth ecosystem. We help our clients do everything on social media, from awareness right down to generating revenue or selling products through our live commerce platform. We have a first mover advantage and barrier of entry in these markets, which we built through our large social media influencer community. And we have a very clear regional expansion strategy that we believe will make us the dominant or leading pan-region influencer marketing platform. We're trusted by established brands and leading agencies. All the large brands work with us. And that's very important when you're in the media or advertising business. And we're also recognized by the media industry. Led by myself, I've been a serial entrepreneur over the last 20 years. I've listed 2 companies. It's the 3rd listed company that I'm running with an experienced board, as well as supported by a management team with a proven track record. And our new investments into automation and social commerce we believe offers potential for scalable growth. Thank you.
Perfect. Thanks a lot for that presentation, Ganesh. It was great to get an insight into Netccentric and its business. Unfortunately, we have run out of time for questions, but we do appreciate your time today and thanks for giving us an insight.
Thank you. How was it?
Thanks a lot.